Everybody, you can see my reflection. Today I'm going to be doing a unicorn poop slime review. Sorry the video is vertical. I kind of don't have the apparatus needed to be able to film properly because I'm useless. So I'm just using my phone and holding it with the bucket down so it's vertical. So today I'm going to be doing a unicorn poop slime review. I bought this slime today. I got it from the works and it only cost £1.50, so it's sticky, great slurp. Look at it. It actually looks like it's pooping. Oh, okay. Great, we have a slime. So this slime seems slushy. Splatty. It's very gooey. It's very shiny and it's like it's got like purple, pink and this sort of metallic white. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's got purple, pink and like this just metallic white. It's all very metallic really. It's super shiny and super slimy. I just dropped it. So yeah, as far as the camera quality isn't very good, but slime is great. It's not like a proper slime where you poke it and it leaves like finger gaps in it though, but it's really it's got a very interesting bounce. Bounce is very weird, and I'm using a chopping board. If you heard, that was just my mum shouting for dinner. Yes, it is dinner time here, but you know. I really like this slime. It's very nice, and it does leave your hand feeling a bit wet afterwards, so they dry out very quickly. There's also if I can like see my reflection on the chopping board. Whoa. I broke it. So apparently the stretch factor is quite good. It's in 2 parts, it's going to stay in 2 parts. Ready? Can I resurrect the situation? Is it going to stay in 2 parts forever? Have I just broken my slime? I'll try and play with it and see if I can get the 2 parts to sort of fuse back together. Otherwise I might have just broken my slime permanently. I hope I haven't. I hope you can hear me as well. I am right next to the microphone now. It seems to have fixed, which is great. Oh dear. I think there's something on the mat. Sorry, there was something on the mat. I had to it got stuck with slime. I just had to peel it off. So yeah, overall I would say this slime is very nice. I got it for literally £1.50 at the works, which is pretty cheap considering it's slime, and it's very good slime. It's very interesting feeling slime. It's very jiggly and it's very interestingly bouncy. When you poke it, it's not ASMR slime. Even though, as I if you try and put it back in, it makes a poopy sound. Put it to the microphone a bit better, so you can still see it, but it's a bit closer to the microphone. Trying to put it back in, it's not as easy as you would think to put it back into the poop container. Those are some very interesting ASMR sounds. Yeah, you got it back in, it didn't make any poopy sounds that time. It does also get like that. Okay. There you are. Makes the poopy sound. Oh my god. It does also have that really weird, like, thick texture, you know, like when you poke something and you feel like you're breaking a seal or something. It does do that sometimes. Yes, there. You. Yeah! I'm coming! Sorry. So there you have it. Unicorn poop slime from Works, £1.50. I like it. And when it's in the container, it has some very fun ASMR sounds. So there you have it, unicorn poop. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Hello. Bye.